Hello guys, I am Pritesh and today I am going to explain a very simple and interesting problem called earliest time to finish one task. In this problem, we are given a two-integer array called tasks. Each task contains Si means the start time, Ti means the time required to finish the task. So the finishing time of any task will be start time plus duration. Our goal is to find the earliest time at which at least one task gets completed. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose we are given an array here. Now let's calculate the finishing time for each task. For first task 1 and 6 it will be 7. For the second time task 2 and 3 and it will be 5. Now compare the both finishing time 7 and 5. Which is the lowest? 5 is the lowest, then it will be our answer. Now let's understand how we are gonna solve this with the code. Uh, we will create a variable to store the minimum finishing time, transfers all tasks, calculate finishing time using task time plus duration, update the minimum answer, and we are gonna at the end we are gonna return the final result. Now let's get into the code. First, we will create an variable to store the value. Now, for we will have to initialize it to the maximum value. Now here I'm using int max. And this is a constant in C because this is initialized with the highest maximum value that int can store. And let's look through the task. In this task of and let's for a temporary variable and the values is time it will be task zero position plus task plus position, and we're gonna replace our answer with the minimum value between the answer and the temporary value that we are going to store throughout the loop. Now, your main is a function that help us to calculate a minimum value that present in the array. Now, simply at the end, we are gonna return our answer. Let's check it's working or not. Okay. Oh, it should not be it. It should be auto. And these are the some common mistake one can do. See, it's working. Now let's check the submission. See, 0 millisecond. Now that's for it today. Let's see you again in the next video.